So Dacia have announced a new racing program. I can't believe it either. So in my hand here is the press release for Dacia entering the World Rally Raid Championship, which includes the Dakar. So we'll read through it and give you all the details that we have up until now. So the headlines are: in 2025, Dacia will compete in the World Rally Raid Championship, confirming its participation in the Dakar Rally as a manufacturer in the T1 Plus category. For the entire season, the Dacia factory program will draw on in-house technical expertise and on British motorsport and engineering group Prodrive for the development of the brand's entries. From 2024, including the test phases, 9-time French Rally World Champion Sebastian Loeb and Spanish rally driver Christina Gutierrez Herrero will officially race for Dacia. And I apologise, my Spanish isn't very good, so I apologise, Christina, if I've pronounced your name incorrectly. Dacia's race car entry for the Dakar Rally will run on synthetic test fuel supplied by Ramco. So the full statement reads, Dacia has confirmed that from 2025, it will compete as a manufacturer in the World Rally Raid Championship, including the Dakar, the ultimate test of endurance and robustness. The Dakar, an extraordinary human adventure, has brought together more than 60 nationalities and 500 adventurers for a unique competition every year for over 40 years. The Dakar is a perfect illustration of the balance between the rational and the emotional that lies at the heart of Dacia's DNA. The Rally Raid is a human and sporting adventure, clearly in keeping with Dacia's brand territories. It is a robust and outdoor adventure at the wheel of a four-wheel drive prototype developed to cope with the most extreme conditions. It is an eco-smart adventure with Dacia's race car running on synthetic fuel, and an essential but cool adventure with ambitious goals that leaves no room for the superfluous. The Dakar Rally will be a testing ground and a laboratory of ideas for Dacia. It will be an opportunity to test and try out new clever solutions, a la Dacia, in terms of outdoor functionalities, but also in terms of energy choices. Before taking on the challenge of the 2025 season, Dacia prototype will be put to the test as early as 2024 at the Rallye du Maroc. Denis Laveau, CEO of Dacia, said that Dacia and Dakar are the perfect match. Not only is this a test of Dacia's true robustness, but it is also showcasing our commitment to low-carbon mobility. We are very excited to take part in the Dakar with synthetic fuel technology. Dacia, alongside the best team and drivers in the game, are serious contenders for a rally, and with the lineup they have got, that is very obvious. Dacia will approach this exciting project by relying on the skills of the Renault Group and by drawing on British motorsport and engineering group Prodrive, whose experience in developing prototypes for rally raids is well renowned. They are also the people who were responsible for the Subaru World Rally team, and they also came up with a rallycross version of the Renault Megane. So yeah, big heritage with Prodrive. So yeah, very capable team running the car for us there. For almost 40 years, Prodrive has been one of the major players in motorsport worldwide, helping to lead brands to win numerous international championships. Prodrive has been involved in the Dakar Rally and Rally Raid since 2020, taking part in the last 3 Dakar with cars designed and managed by their own teams, achieving second place overall in 2022 and 2023 with Sebastian Loeb, who is now part of the Dacia team. Again, a legend in his own right, having won 9 times the World Rally Championship, and he's also had a dabble in touring cars as well, and taking wins in the WTCC. Spanish rally driver Christina is the first Spanish woman in the car category to finish the Dakar Rally in 2017. Aged just 31, she's already participated in 7 Dakar rallies between 2017 and 2030. Christina has also been the all-terrain rally champion in the women's category in Spain since 2012. Meanwhile, me, of a similar age, has managed to achieve a handful of races in the 750 Motor Club Low Cost Championship. I think they made the right call picking her over me. French rally driver Sebastian Loeb, 49, won the World Rally Championship 9 times in a row from 2004 to 2012. He is one of motorsport's most successful drivers and is often considered the greatest rally driver of all time. Loeb has taken part in the Dakar Rally since 2016. From 2021, he took part in the Dakar Rally at the wheel of the Bahrain Raid Extreme Punter, designed and run by the British Prodrive team. The success story between Sebastian Loeb and Prodrive will now continue at the wheel of the Dacia. The Dacia prototype will run on synthetic test fuel supplied by Ramco. Now, if you're wondering who Ramco are, now you remember, a world leader in the energy and chemical sector. Ramco's synthetic fuel solutions are produced by combining renewable hydrogen with captured CO2, resulting in a lower carbon drop-in fuel compatible with today's engines. The Dakar Rally is the ideal testing ground for this technology and for the Dacia brand. So yeah, as you all know, I'm a massive motorsport fan and I am really excited about this. So as soon as more news lands, particularly as to when we get to see the car, I'll be sure to share it here, but I'll also make sure to share it on our social media at SMC Dacia, which is where you'll find us on Facebook and Instagram. We're also on LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok, and you can find that at SMC Motor Group. And of course, check out our website, smcdacia.co.uk. We have got some more announcements coming on later on in the year, not just around motorsport, but around the road cars as well. One of them is absolutely huge later on in the year, so make sure you get subscribed and click the bell icon so you get notified when that will land, because as I say, that is big news coming. So yeah, so until then, I'm Max, this is SMC Motor Group, and I'll see you on the next one.